That's friendly. I got you. Are you green team? He's green team, Luke. Yeah. What are you on, tan team? Yeah, but are you on tan team? It's green and tan.
You're not on the right team.
Are you green or tan? Like, are you on the green team or the tan team? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10. Hit! Oh, God. Wasn't have to go that way, Luke. I wasn't have to go that way. I told you we should have went that way.
Yeah, but it's fun. If I see him right there, just stop and get a couple kills.
Just having my son. Tell you know that station that we were
Yeah?
holding? We lost it to green. And the whole left side screwed.
Marcus! 3 minutes. You want to go or you want to stay?
That's a little one. Okay. Go or stay. It's only 3 minutes. You go on the left, you're gonna get fucking like Polish on and like.
Oh my god, right
I thought it was going through or.
This way, turn this way.
No, it's just ready.
No, it's not
No.
better.
That way's dead and that way's dead. That whole way is good.
Oh, wait.
This whole way is dead. We're dead
Oh,
there.
wait, it's dead.
If we go that way, we can get everyone on the
We're
way.
going 3 minutes.
And we'll just rush up here on the right side. Luke and I know that the right side is the best side. Alright, Luke, they can get killed there and we'll go our way. Ready? Go. We got 3 minutes.
I don't want to fall again, so I'm going to try to like not run that fast.
Fucking one dude. Oh my god, are you green or tan? Like, dude. Alright. Friendly.
Oh shit.
It's too far.
Yeah, it's too far to be.
He's not gonna hit us.
30 seconds!
Alright. Just fall back, look. Huh?
We're really close to the tunnel spot.
Look, let's go.
We're going all the way to the tunnel spots.
We're not gonna hit him. It's in 10 seconds. Oh shit, they're all over there on the left. Game over! Allahu Akbar!
I think I got one. The last game.
What's up, Mikey? You calling me? What was that?
I think rock warfare would be cool.
Huh?
I think if we use that rocket right now, that'd be cool.
The ridge? I don't. That was okay. That map. When we played it, it was like right here. This whole line.
We made some good kills, good fights. Made some good shots on the objective.